Okay, welcome back to this channel. So today we are going to learn about ratios or perbandingan. What we are going to learn today is, first of all, we are going to study about definition of ratios and equivalent ratios, simplest form of a ratio, and some examples. Okay, let's get started. First, definition of ratio. A ratio is a comparison of two or more numbers that indicate their sizes in relation to each other. A ratio can be written in the form of A to B or A to B, like this, and you can say A to B. Okay, let's see, for example, to get for example, in a classroom there are 13 students. Okay, 13 students. We want to compare the number of boys and girls, so we want to compare boys to girls. Yeah, want to make a comparison. So let's say, for example, the number of boys are 5, while the number of girls is let's say, because there are 13 students, so 13 minus 5, there should be 8 girls. So you can say the ratio of boys to girls is 5 to 8, or you can write like this, 5 to 8, or you can also write 5 to 8 like this. Okay, so that's a ratio. Now let's see some related concept about ratio. Okay, first we want to explain about equivalent ratio. So what is equivalent ratio? So equivalent ratio is one where both terms or numbers of the ratio have been multiplied or divided by the same numbers. Okay, so that's become equivalent ratio. So let's say, for example, the ratio 10 to 30, when both are divided by 5, so 10 divided by 5 is 2, and 30 divided by 5 is 6. So we get new ratio, which is 2 to 6. This means that this ratio 10 to 30 equivalent to 2 to 6. Okay, so they are equivalent. Let's see another example. I'm gonna leave this example. I'm gonna go with the multiplication. So let's say 2 to 5. If both are multiplied by 4, okay, so 2 multiplied by 4 is 8, and 5 multiplied by 4 is 20. So the ratio of 2 to 5 equivalent to 8 to 20. So they are equivalent ratio. Okay, and so it also equivalent, this 12 to 18 also equivalent to 6 to 9, and 1 to 12 also equivalent to 3 to 36. They are all equivalent. Okay, now let's move to the next part, which is simplest form. Okay, What is simplest form? Okay, a ratio that cannot have its terms or numbers reduced any further is a ratio written in its simplest form. Jadi rasio yang tidak bisa lagi di-reduce atau dibagi, maka itu adalah rasio yang simplest form atau bentuk paling sederhana. So let's say, for example, we have a ratio of 5 to 25. Okay, you divide both side. Okay, kamu bagi keduanya with 5, so that you get 5 divided by 5 is 1 and 25 divided by 5 is 5. You cannot divide this any further, so this is the simplest form, bentuk paling sederhana. Okay, let's see another example. Let's say 6. Okay, the ratio of 6 to 9. Okay, now we divided it both with 3. Okay, so 6 divided by 3 is 2 and 9 divided by 3 is 3. Can you divide this more with to get also the whole number atau bilangan bulat? So 2, if you divide this with 2 you get 1, but 3, you divide 3 with 2, you will not get a whole number because the result is 1.5. This is decimal number, right? So this is the simplest form you can get. Okay, this is not the one we want because 1.5 is decimal, it's not whole number. Okay, so that's all for simplest form. Now let's see some example. Okay, write each of the following ratios in their simplest form. Okay, A, I think I have answered this. 3, or not yet, 3 to 9. Okay, how you gonna make a simplest form of this? So you're gonna divide them both with 3, so that you get, okay, 3 divided by 3 is 1. Okay, 9 divided by 3 is 3. So can you divide this any further? No. So this is the simplest form. Now let's have a look at the next question. 20 to 50. Okay, can you how you gonna divide this? Let's say you divide both with 10. Okay, dua-duanya dibagi 10. So 20 divided by 10 is 2. 50 divided by 10 is 5. Okay, can you divide this any further? The answer is no. So this is the simplest form. And the last example is 15 boys to 20 girls. Okay, 15 and 20. Okay, how are you gonna do that? I think I'm gonna divide that with 5. Okay, so 15 divided by 5 is 3. So 3 boys. 2. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So 4 girls. So can you divide them any further? No. So this is the simplest form of this question. Okay, this is clear, yeah? Now let's see another example. Okay, example number 2. Okay, now divide $2, so this is $2, not $200, yeah, so this is $2 in the ratio 1 to 4. Okay, 1 to 4. In the first example, I gave you an example of the ratio of boys to girls, so 5 boys to 8 girls. So the total of students is 13 students. Okay, you can say 5 to 8. Okay, so the total is 13. How you get 13? You sum this, so 5 plus 8 is 13, right? The same thing happened to this. So the total of money is $2. Okay, we want to divide this $2 in the ratio of 1 to 4. So we have to first of all find the total parts. So the total of parts is 1 plus 4, which is 5. Okay, so for 5 parts we have $2, so $2, right? So if you want to find for one part, okay, you're gonna divide this $2 with 5. Okay, $2 divided by 5 equals to 40 cents. 40 cents. Okay, jadi kalau dalam perhitungan dolar, kalau kurang dari 1 atau pecahan di bawah dari 1 disebut cents. Okay, and kalau di atas ini disebut dolar, yang di belakang koma itu disebut cents. That's called cents. Ya. So if the ratio is 1 per 4 or 1 to 4, it means that one part to 4 parts, which is also means that 1 times 0 or 40 cents divided or over 4 times 0.4 cents or 40 cents. Okay, because for one part is 40 cents, so for 4 parts 4 times 40 cents, and the result is 40 cents over 4 times 4 is 1.6 cent, 1.60 cents. So this is the ratio. Okay, or you can write like this. You can write 40 cents to $1.60. They are the same. Okay, if you have any questions, you can write in the comment section, and we are going to move to the next example. This is gonna be the last example I gonna give you. Okay, a special concrete mixture is made up of 3 parts cement, 4 parts sand, and 5 parts of blue metal. If there is 80 kg of blue metal in the concrete, what amount of sand and cement is needed. Okay, so let's see the ratio. So the ratio of cement, okay, and sand and blue metal is 3 to 4 to 5. Okay, and we know that there is 80 kilo of blue metal. So 80 kilo blue metal means that 5 parts of blue metal equals 80 kilogram. Okay, so for one part, okay, one part of blue metal is 80 kilogram over 5, which is 16 kilogram. So for one part is equal to 16 kilogram. The same thing happened for each cement and sand. So for if you want to find how much or what amount of sand and cement, just see their proportion. So 3 parts of cement equals 3 times 16 kilogram. Okay, 3 times 16 is 48 kilograms. So 38 kilogram of cement. Okay, also for the sand we have 4, the proportion is 4, so 4 parts of sand is 4 times 16 kilogram, which is 64 kilogram. So we need 48 kilogram of cement and 64 kilogram sand. Okay, I think that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you understand all the concept I explained and also the examples. If you have any questions, you can write your questions in the comment section below, or you can send me private chat or email into my email. See you in the next video, and hope you enjoy this video. Bye.